So big news from XRP Ripple. Looks like it broke through that $2 mark. Today is Sunday, December 1st. And we have big news from Ripple that it actually broke through that $2 mark and continues to perform extraordinarily well. So today we're going to talk about a couple things. We're going to talk about why this is happening. Where could it possibly go? We're going to talk about the week, a few things with my personal production and how I took advantage of XRP. I'll show you one trade I put on yesterday when people probably would have said I was dumb because it was, a higher level yesterday, and how that trade's going. So with no further ado, let's just get right into it. So if you look at XRP, the XRP today is up 7.5%, almost 8.7%. It continues to rise. And this last week, again, 46%. If you look at the last month, 300% up. So XRP has just been on a tear. Why is this? So for those of you who follow everything with crypto, which I hope you do, and follow this channel, if you're not a subscriber, please like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff right now. I greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel out. It helps the algorithm, and we appreciate you sticking around and coming back to see us. But right now, why is that happening? Well, obviously the Trump administration and their pro-crypto and possible regulatory clarity are helping people like, XRP see the future a little more clearly. Now, it's also been said that most of the charges and the settlements with the SEC will be finalized and finished pretty soon. And that is allowing people to look at XRP as slightly different without that regulatory drag on it. And one other major thing is happening with XRP, and that is there's been rumors swirling about Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, launching on December 4th with the New York DFS approval. So is this going to happen? Have the rest of the world started to embrace crypto? Do we think this is going to happen on the December 4th? Put a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. But from a lot of the speculation out there, it looks like it's very possible and likely. Now, don't go make financial decisions based on this. This is certainly not financial advice. I'm reporting the things that I see out there and what they mean. This is from Crypto Slate. There's a lot of different, when you research this, there's a lot of different companies or different news outlets talking about that Ripple. Now, another thing that plays in is the altcoin season. Ripple is an altcoin. It's one of the premier altcoins. I think on market cap, it's probably 5th right now, I want to say. So, it's gone up pretty good too. It's on the top 10 of performance over the 90 days. Peanut, what a absolute craze that was. XLM, Sui ran up, and it's kind of hovering around that $3.50 mark. And I think it's got more to go. That's my opinion. That's one of the things that's in my bag that I'll talk about in a show later this week. But right now, it's all eyes on XRP. And so I've been looking at this going, it still's got room to run. And we can't think in the typical paradigm of market cap. Well, you have to think within market cap, but you don't think within the current market cap paradigm. You have to break outside that to think, well, what are they positioning XRP for? It is a lot of speculation, with backdoor meetings with the Trump administration, outgoing Gary Gensler on January 20th, incoming new SEC pro-crypto, Treasury, Secretary of the Treasury, pro-crypto appointee. There's a lot of things that are happening in crypto right now that give it a wide open arena to do things it's never done before. We've never had this many pro-crypto people of power ever. Even in the last Trump administration, there wasn't a lot of pro-crypto. And now Trump seems to be the crypto president. Now, that being said, how have I done with this XRP run-up? I've done a couple things. One, I traded on Margex. This is Margex. Now, you'll see this green line right here. I opened a position yesterday with low leverage. I opened the low leverage position yesterday at, what was that? At $1.92. It's up 33%. Now, it was only about a $250 margin I put on. But as that continues to rise, if it continues to rise, I'll increase the margin to only leave a certain amount on the table. I won't necessarily take profits yet, but that's what I'll do with this trade. Hopefully it continues to rise to a point, and then, we'll close that trade out. Where will I close it out? I'm going to let that one ride. I have another XRP trade open. Where is this one? This one let's take a look at this one. This one is up 4,115%. I opened it at 86 cents with low margin at five times margin on Margex. If you want to trade with Margex, there's a code down below. There's a whole bunch of goodies if you do with my code. But please don't get into these things until you do your own research and understand that you will lose money trading on high leverage, and you could lose a lot of money. So be very, very careful. This isn't financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But anyway, this $4,100 or 4,100%, that's insane. You know, I'm up, I mean, dollar-wise, it's not huge because I only put about 20 bucks into it, but I'm up $320. I wish I put another 0 or 2 in there. But anyway, that being said, this is turning out to be a great trade for XRP. So those are 2 trades I have at Margex. If you know me, you know I have the Easy Bot and the XRP. You know, I've had $1,400 of profit just with XRP trading minimal amounts, buying, selling on the way up, buying on the way down, and playing that volatility of XRP. But really, it seems like it's been going just up. You know, that's not going to be the case forever. It's going to hit a plateau or a peak. It's going to probably retrace at some point. But that's 2 of the ways. The third way I've been using this is on Pionex. So another way I'm playing it is XRP. I'm using my trading bot on Pionex. It's just a grid trading bot, and it has 50 grids from 70 cents to $2.10. It looks like I'm going to have to update that shortly. And this has been doing very well. As you've seen, I've got a $708 return. I put $1,100 into this thing. I had $1,000. I added $184. And I've gotten $700 back. I've almost doubled my money. Now, some people might say if I just bought $1,000 worth of XRP at 86 cents, I'd have more than that right now. I understand that, but it's not going to go up forever. It will have volatility up and down, and it will hopefully profit from that volatility. So that's it. Those are the 3 ways that I'm taking advantage of this XRP run. But over $2 today and continuing to move higher. Looks like we're at $2.07, almost $2.08. Has it gone back down? Okay, $2.07, $2.05. It continues to move around, and you know we'll hopefully continue to see it rise. We'll get more clarity with what's going on with the administration. You know, we'll see on December 4th. That's Wednesday, if we're going to have an XRP RLUSD stablecoin. So that's all super exciting. Let me know what you thought. Write down below some comments, price predictions, or otherwise. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.